Everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of subtitles on the application of Rapid TV. We click on settings. Here in this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then we click on Rapid TV. In this page of app info we click on first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on Clear Cache. Then we click on Play Store. You will search about the application of Rapid TV. And here you will update your app if you find updates. So that's it. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.